India's biggest car company is fighting worker unrest once again. Production at Maruti's plant in Manesar near Delhi has ground to a halt with workers on protest. This time the tussle is over an agreement that management wants plant employees to sign, and if they don't, Maruti says it will not let them return to work. This is the good conduct bond that the Maruti management has asked its workers to sign and has even listed the conditions which the workers have to adhere to. And if they do indulge in intermittent stoppage of work, a stay in strike or even sabotage, they are likely to be dismissed. But the workers are standing defiant and say that this is completely unacceptable and that they will continue to fine unless and until the management withdraws its stance. Workers say the bond has come as a surprise and that signing it will drastically curtail their rights.
बॉन्ड ये ऐसी बात है कि अगर आज साइन करके चल जाएंगे तो 1-1.5 महीने के बाद में कंपनी अंदर बाहर निकाल देगी, अंदर नहीं लेगी, ऐसे कार्रवाई बहुत सख्त कर देगी। बात ऐसी है,
एक भी लड़का अंदर नहीं जाएगा हमारा, क्योंकि हमारे लड़के इतने मतलब समझदार हैं, उनको पता है कि अंदर जाएंगे तो क्या पहले से भी बदतर हालत हो जाएगी।
Maruti meanwhile maintains the bond is perfectly legal and is needed to ensure order in the plant.
This signature is being sought under the provisions of law, under the standing orders. And if you do not sign, then as per law you are deemed to be on strike and you lose wages. So that's as far as the workers are concerned. As far as the company is concerned, the company management is very clear that now things have to be done in an orderly way, in the right fashion, in the way Maruti Suzuki does things. So until then, there is going to be no compromise.
The Manesar plant came into operation nearly 4.5 years ago and usually produces some 1,200 cars every day. But Maruti says production and quality control issues cropped up last week and it suspects sabotage by workers.
Last week on 2 days is that during the quality checks we found that there were deliberate efforts at sabotage. There were quality defects that had been deliberately done by a section of the workers.
But the workers have turned the allegations around, saying that the company is responsible.
उन लोगों ने क्या किया कि गाड़ियों में अपनी मर्जी से लिप छिप कर मतलब फॉल्ट डालने शुरू कर दिए, जिससे कि सरकार को और आम जनता को ये दिखाया जाए कि वर्कर लोग काम नहीं कर रहे हैं। ये मेंटेनेंस प्रॉब्लम है और कंपनी की अपनी एक चाल है जिससे कि बंदों को बदनाम किया जाए।
The allegations are flying about and both sides are holding their ground. Meanwhile, production of Maruti's newly launched Swift car remains stalled inside this compound. Satviki Verma, Delhi, Mint.